Elon Musk exploring whether to start a tender offer for Twitter. He submitted a letter on April 13th, basically proposing to require all of the outstanding common stock at the same price, $54.20 per share, which was the original bid, valuing Twitter at that time at around $43 billion. It's just a proposal, but interesting, according to this filing, Musk has a commitment, another redhead crossing the Bloomberg terminal, of $46.5 billion of debt backing his proposal. And this was one of the pieces of reporting coming out of our colleagues from Bloomberg News over the last 24 hours, that Musk was reaching out to potential parties, thinking about his options, which were wide-ranging, right, John? Whether he borrowed against the value of his own Tesla equity, even the value of his existing Twitter stake, or if he looked to private equity, even credit partners to get on board. And that is what's happening. And this was a hypothesis that's been around for a while. A tender offer was coming.
I'll save my opinion, Ed, on all of this. I'll let the market do the talking for all of us. At 47 on Twitter right now, what does that tell you?
Yeah, this is the point that Elon Musk has been hammering home, this idea that the board has a fiduciary duty to consider his existing offer, $54.20 a share, which is a premium to where we're at. You speak to M&A experts, you speak to people that have been on boards, you speak to existing investors of Twitter, as I've done. They'll say, well, hold on, Twitter was at $70, $75 a year ago. If there's potential for this business to improve, is $54.20 a share a lowball offer? In which case, the board is following its fiduciary duty because it's trying to get the best possible outcome for shareholders. And each twist and turn, like we're seeing now, this is what we're moving towards, right? A better outcome for shareholders, although, according to this filing, we're still looking at $54.20 a share.
Just one final question from me.
Sure.
Has anyone else come in? Have we heard about anyone else coming in for a bid for this company, given that it looks like the company's in play in a way that it wasn't just a few weeks ago?
Yeah, so by the way, I'm just getting more details on the Bloomberg that the commitments that Musk has on the debt side are coming from Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, and Barclays, and he intends to review that investment on an ongoing basis. Remember the reporting, right? When we talk about Apollo came in, according to sources, all the options were on the table. They could back a Musk bid, but they could also back someone else's bid. And we know about Thoma Bravo, for example. Silver Lake, an activist, already has a seat on the board. And then there's the white knight theory, which I'm not going to go into here, John, but the white knight theory, someone else could come and save the day for Twitter. Who that would be? Good, big question.